If you love the beach and you love everything Mornington has to offer, 2 at 7 Hargreaves Street in Mornington is the ideal location. You are really seconds away from your property from right here on Fisherman's Beach. It is sensational. So just down the little laneway of Captain's Walk, you have the property. 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So very exciting property, and the location speaks for itself. So get inside and check it out. So you're entering into a light, bright, beautiful living area. This is a great space. You've got dining, lounge, entertaining, and it all opens out through these magical bifold doors to this sensational outdoor entertaining area. Have a look at that. The outdoor entertaining is magical. You've got this beautiful space, north facing, so it's always in the sun. You've got a great area to entertain out here, sit around with friends and sip on cocktails, or enjoy the spa. And there's an awning that comes out as well. So you've got shade if you need it, you've got sunshine if you want it, and who doesn't want the sunshine? So the dining area is attached to the kitchen here. Granite bench tops, great appliances, massive oven, stainless steel appliances all the way through, and it's really light and you get to be part of the action here. You've also got your laundry that leads straight outside. Downstairs has entry from the garage straight into the property, and there's also a downstairs bedroom, and it's serviced by a full suite bathroom. Up the stairs of this amazing home, you have a great landing, and it leads into one of the main bedrooms. This bedroom, amazing proportions, you've got a walk-in robe and its own ensuite bathroom. Off the landing, you've got access to the balcony, straight through the door, and bedroom 3, which is the main bedroom upstairs, really light-filled, fantastic walk-in robe, great ensuite bathroom, double vanities, and then out to the balcony to chill out and enjoy. The property is set behind secure gates and in an amazing location. You're so close to Lilo Cafe, you could get a coffee in an instant. Well, actually not quite that fast. It took me 51 seconds from door to door to go and get a coffee. It's that close. The location is killer. And if you want to be on the beach, it happens so fast. Told you, you're so close to the beach. You are literally seconds from it. So if you're looking for the absolute lifestyle property, set in an amazing location, minutes, not even minutes from the beach, you're in the right spot. 2 at 7 Hargreaves Street is sensational. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please do not delay. Hurry up. This is one for you. Give me a call.